All right, my social media followers, we have another Ford. This time is a Ford Edge that we're working on this part right here. This is the new one that we're about to install. This is a 2013 Ford Edge, and we're replacing the alternator on it. So if you are looking for someone to replace your alternator on Ford Edge, you can give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291 for any alternator replacement on a Ford Edge. We are located in North Houston and we can do it for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to our channel and share our videos. This is V6 3.5 liter. Thanks a lot for watching.